does in terms of actual relevance to actually being president. You can't argue personal conduct in that case.
So I think I've said this to you in the makeup room. I don't know if you watched this season of Curb, but Larry's with Tracy Ullman. And if you missed, you're like, why is he with her? I always felt that way about Jack Smith and Judge Aileen Cannon, because the search warrant becomes a legal mess. And the beginning of this case's existence ends up before a very conservative circuit court and then ends up at a special master of Brooklyn because she so botches it. And so it seems to me, again, not a lawyer, never worked at the Justice Department, but it seemed to me from the beginning that this was ill-fated if your goal was to hold him accountable for the crimes you've indicted him for.
You know, I actually, as you know, I'm somebody I will tell you if I think the Department of Justice, made a mistake. But I actually don't think that Jack made a mistake here. I think he played it straight. I've been on high-profile cases where the issue is what venue should you pick, and the overarching issue is to play it straight. Where are the facts that sort of form the crime? Where did they occur? That principle is in the Constitution, that you should be tried where the crime occurred. And here, only in the district where Judge Cannon is one of 3 judges, is a locus for all of the crimes that are charged. In other words, some of the crimes might have been able to be charged elsewhere, but not all of them. And there's no question that the gravamen, the sort of all of the facts, are ones that could all be charged in that district. And so there was going to be a 1 out of 3 chance under the wheel, because it gets spun out randomly, that she got the case. And the real issue here, I think, is not really Jack Smith. It is Judge Cannon. It is just truly a disgrace that she is not doing her job. You pointed out, Nicole, that she couldn't even handle the search warrant. She was reversed not once, but twice over that. She had to get another federal judge to be the special master when she could have just rolled up her sleeves and done the work. And now her decision says, well, there are a lot of pending motions. That's why I need to take more time. Well, I have another idea. Decide them. I mean, this is not a complicated case. And so I agree with Ty Cobb that she just put in writing what we all knew was going to happen. But what she put in writing is really sort of a testament to, at the very least, incompetence, and some might say much worse than that, which is something that you don't want to see in a judge, which is a bias for one side or the other. So I really think that's where the problem is in this case.
That's why I defer to